Hello guys, I'm Explanation Information, the best place for online tech news and more. And today I'm going to be making like part 6 or part 7 to the Google Play Credit series. In this video I'm going to be talking about more in depth of how to earn points quicker and easier in a shorter amount of time. So if you already know, if you're new, you will go ahead and click the hamburger icon on the top. PlayPoints, and if y'all want me to make a video about Google Play Pass, because I haven't made a video about it yet, just go ahead and inform me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on Google Play Points, and as you see, I have 4. Now basically, Google doesn't add a whole bunch of download offers. They basically add these download offers where you could download games and earn a certain amount of points, or you could also do in-app purchases to also earn points, and they all have expiration date. Like the downloadable offers end on April 19th, and the purchase offers end at April 9th, so in 2 days from this now recording. So you could go ahead and download the offers. It's really easy. All you could do is download and earn points. They update the offers like every week or two, so once you complete those download offers, there won't be any more to like a while. And this perk section is where all your leveling up upgrades will be. This is where you could use all your credits. So they add new stuff like Madden Mobile. They added you could get a $4 coupon for $400 and a $15 coupon for $1,500. You could get different donations, purchases, just a whole bunch of bonuses in all your favorite games. Now, to earn Google Play points easily, it's kind of a pay-to-win thing other than Google Opinion Rewards, which I'll be showing. Basically, what you want to do is there's this thing called leveling up, where basically you have different benefits for leveling up. You can earn more play points per dollar spent for each leveling up, and you can unlock platinum, which also gives you different multipliers and things like that, which makes sure you can rack up points easily. So basically, you will want to pay for in-app purchases, or you could also buy movies and TV stuff, and also books. And there's some apps too. And basically, you want to make in-app purchases for you to upgrade. And the more you upgrade, the more points you get. So it will make you get a better worthwhile of the money you're spending, because you'll earn more points off the money you're spending than you were when you first started. As you see, I have 96 more points to server. So that's the method for Google Play Points. Now I'm going to go ahead and go on to Google Opinion Rewards. As you see, I'm on Google Opinion Rewards and I have 70 cents. If you go to rewards history, as you see, I've completed 38 surveys and earned $12.10 in total. And I spent it on different things like Roblox stuff. So basically, Google Opinion Rewards, as in the name, you earn rewards based off your opinions on the surveys they offer. You could earn more surveys by different things like interacting with Google apps like Google Maps, Google Earth, YouTube, responding, liking, and sharing videos. And basically, when you do that, they're learning more about you and how you personalize. So they ask you questions based on what you've done. Like say if I watched the video, it asked me questions about that video and what they like me to recommend and stuff like that. So that's basically how you can earn more points by interacting with Google apps and completing surveys. And you earn points based on your selected answers. So you mostly want to select answers where you know they can ask you another question based off that answer. But that will end the video. If you want me to make another video about this and actually using it, about what I said, just comment down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one.